Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a teeny tiny Temu unboxing for you. Just something as a alternative to my big diamond painting that I'm working on this month for the Familiars in Feb event, but still sticking to a theme. So, sticking with the theme of familial animals, and we've got this lovely stag in the moonlight. This is a punch needle kit. It was £9.98, which is not bad. So let's get inside and see exactly what they give us. Okay, so it's all looking good. We've got our little skeins of wool here in all of the colours. It looks like a lovely, thick, fluffy wool they've given us. Almost kind of has a chenille kind of look to it. Lovely. We have got a big, chunky plastic needle for threading, and this is our punch needle. So it's great that it comes with a punch needle. I have in the past bought punch needle kits that don't come with a punch needle, and it's the most frustrating thing. So the fact that this one does come with a needle is brilliant. I'll show you how to put that together in a moment. This is our monk's cloth, and you can see here it's got the pattern on it so we know where to go, and it even shows you, there's little arrows showing you where to start and which direction to work in to make sure that you get a nice consistent image of what you're doing. So that you can see here, if we look at this finished one, you can see all the lines are going in the same direction. So yeah, that's really nice. We obviously get our hoop to put everything onto. So the punch needle, let's have a look. Yeah, so this long piece of wire is used for threading the punch needle itself. This one is, oh, come on, come out. Gosh. So just be aware that when you get one of these, the punch needles are often packaged backwards to keep the point inside during transit. So we can now, okay, put that back in there, and then that bit goes at the top. There we go. And now we have our punch needle all put together. So I think I'm gonna get started on this now, and we'll see how far I can get. Okay, so thoughts so far. The process of using this particular pen that it comes with is leaving a little bit of a sore dent in my finger, but I think if you were to wrap your finger in some sports tape or even a elastoplast, that would probably help to protect it. I think it's just because this is very shiny, and so you're having to hold it really hard to get a good grip. If it was made of more of a rubbery grippable material, so maybe wrapping some washi around the pen would help. It's worth trying out these things. Other than that, the process is going really well. I've done all of the darkest color, which you will have seen in the time lapse, and I'm now working on the sky. seem to have plenty of thread for everything. Yeah, it's all going very smoothly. The back is not as tidy as it could be, but that's a me thing. So yeah, I'm just going to carry on working on this, and you'll probably see it in a future video, or if I finished it by Wednesday, I'll show it off in the live. So thank you for joining me for this today. Just something little. I would highly recommend, if you've not tried punch needle before, do give it a go. It's a little bit of a steep learning curve, but once you get into it, it's very easy for everybody to have a try at. So I will, if I can still find a link to this product, I will pop it in the description down below. And then you can check it out for yourself. But if not, if you search Stag Punch Needle Kit, you would probably find a very similar kit, if not the same one, showing up on whatever forum you decide to shop from. So thank you to everybody who supports me here. Please do remember to leave a like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you all in the next one. Until then, stay crafty.